CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
Here's a video to show you what not to do when you buy a DVR. So if you're replacing a current DVR and you put a new one in, and your existing cameras have lines going through them, like so, or the video's flickering just like that one did, that's a bad sign that your camera and your cabling are messed up. Most likely your cabling and something about power. You've got to go investigate that, because if you keep letting these cameras run, what's going to happen is it's going to damage the DVR that you just bought. And all RMAs require that you actually provide us access to be able to see what led up to the DVRs to stop functioning. And in this case, it was voltage injection back in the DVR from the BNC port. So all this that's happening, funky stuff, videos, cameras going black, coming back on, flickering lines, all this is bad stuff from your cable. So you need to make sure that you fix that before you leave them connected to the DVR and do damage to a new DVR. It is of no fault to the DVR at all. And what happens is when you keep injecting current over and over again, it's gonna fry the little chips, the microprocessors that do the video encoding on the DVR. If you see here, there's slight lines going through this video. It's hard to see, but it's there. That's disturbance, that's interference from your line, from your cameras, or even from your power supplies. DVR is perfectly fine. It's trying to do a good job of what it can with the crappy video signal that's being sent to it. And voltage injection, you're basically shocking this over and over again. So if you've got something like this going on, or even worse, unplug your cameras and go investigate your cabling before you damage your newly purchased recorder. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.